How much should I charge? Every designer faces this question, whether you're just starting out or a seasoned pro. It can spark doubt, hesitation, and anxiety. You know your skills have value, but quoting a price can feel overwhelming. The fear of overcharging or underselling is real, but getting your pricing right is the key to a thriving and sustainable design business. Today, you'll get a clear, actionable framework to price your services with confidence. Let's unlock your potential together. Before we get going, subscribe, like, and hit the bell for more tips like this. Join our community of design entrepreneurs and never miss a strategy. Your value as a designer isn't simply tied to the clock. It's about the expertise, creativity, and strategic thinking you bring to the table. Don't let the limitations of hourly billing diminish the true worth of your skills and experience. Charging by the hour actually punishes efficiency and experience. The faster and better you become, the less you technically earn under that model. It's a flawed system that doesn't reward mastery. The more seasoned and skilled you become, the better you get at delivering exceptional results quickly, the less you earn per project, which is counterintuitive. You're not merely selling time, you're offering something far more valuable. You're selling transformation, the journey from a problem to a solution, from a challenge to a triumph. You're selling tangible results that impact your client's bottom line. Clients hire you for specific outcomes. They have goals they need to achieve. They want a website that converts visitors into paying customers, a brand that stands out in a crowded marketplace and resonates with their target audience. To understand the true value you bring, start asking better, more insightful questions. What specific problem are we solving for your business? What does success ultimately look like in measurable terms? When you deeply understand your client's underlying goals and aspirations, you transform into a strategic partner, offering invaluable guidance and insights, not just a pair of hands executing tasks. This is the essence of value-based pricing, aligning your fee directly with the positive impact and measurable results you create for your clients. Always anchor your price to the tangible value you deliver, not the arbitrary number of hours you spend. Join our thriving community today to connect with fellow designers who are successfully making this empowering shift in their pricing strategies. Pricing without research is guesswork. Ground your rates in real market data. Check industry surveys, freelance platforms, and top freelancer profiles to understand the landscape. Talk to other designers. Most are willing to share general ranges. Sharing info helps everyone avoid a race to the bottom. Analyze your findings to find your place in the market. Use this data to justify your rates with clients. Confidence comes from knowing your prices are fair and competitive. Don't price in a vacuum. Do your homework. As an example, we'll break down the actual math behind profitable pricing for a graphic design studio based in Orlando, Florida. We'll walk through each step together, using realistic numbers for a small design studio business. Step 1. List your annual business expenses. For our Orlando studio, rent is $2,000 per month, or $24,000 per year. Utilities and internet add $400 per month, totaling $4,800 annually. Software subscriptions like Adobe Creative Cloud and project management tools cost $200 per month, or $2,400 per year. Insurance is $1,500, marketing is $3,000, and miscellaneous supplies are $1,200 annually. Step 2. Add your desired salary as the owner. Let's say you want to earn $60,000 per year. This is your reward for running the business and should reflect your experience and local cost of living. Step 3. Add up all expenses and your salary to get your total annual revenue target. In our example, that's $24,000 for rent, $4,800 for utilities, $2,400 for software, $1,500 for insurance, $3,000 for marketing, $1,200 for supplies, and $60,000 for salary. The total is $96,900. Step 4. Estimate your realistic billable hours for the year. Remember, you won't be billing 40 hours every week. After accounting for holidays, admin, and downtime, let's use 1,200 billable hours per year. Step 5. Divide your total revenue target by your billable hours. $96,900 divided by 1,200 hours equals $80.75 per hour. This is your baseline hourly rate before profit margin and taxes. Each step matters. Tracking expenses ensures you cover your costs, Setting a salary values your expertise, and knowing your billable hours keeps your pricing realistic. Step 6. Always add a profit margin. Aim for at least 10 to 20% to support growth and cushion for taxes or unexpected costs. A baseline hourly rate of $80.75 plus a 20% profit margin equals a profitable hourly rate of $96.90, which can be rounded up to a final hourly rate of $100 per design service. Don't guess. Know your numbers and price for profit, not just survival. You've done the work. Now it's time to present your price. Confidence is clarity, not arrogance. Present your price as the investment required for the client's desired outcome. Never just send a number. Frame it in a proposal that leads with their goals and your solution. Introduce the price only after establishing value. State your price, then pause. Let the client respond. If they push back, ask questions to understand their concerns. Trade scope for price, not discounts. Confident communication protects your profit and positions you as a professional. Own your value in every conversation. Here's your roadmap. Shift from selling time to selling results. Research your market and know your numbers. Communicate your value with confidence. Frame your price as an investment. Calculate your minimum revenue target and baseline rate. For your next client, ask about business goals, not just deliverables. Present tiered options and state your price with conviction. Action bridges the gap between where you are and where you want to be. Take control of your pricing. Your future self will thank you. Share this, join our community, and let's elevate the industry together.